You have seen a recurrence formula for ln of x. Now we will see the another important recurrence formula for ln of x. You can see I have mentioned here already this formula. This is ln prime of x minus n ln minus 1 prime of x plus n ln minus 1 of x equal to 0. Here actually when you say ln prime, it means this is first order derivative of ln of x. Ln prime of x means what? This is d ln of x by dx. So as you have proved the first recurrence formula starting with the generating function expression for ln x, similarly you will see we can prove this result starting with the generating function expression for ln of x. And you have used the generating function expression for ln of x several times, so I hope you are familiar with it. And now you can see what is the generating function expression. You know this is e raised to the power minus xt over 1 minus t equal to 1 minus t times summation n 0 to infinity ln of x over n factorial times t to the power n. So this is the generating function expression for ln of x. Now as you can see in our recurrence formula, there is a presence of the first order derivative of ln of x and ln minus 1 of x. So definitely we must differentiate this generating function expression with respect to x. So when you will differentiate it with respect to x and simplify, then you will get easily this recurrence formula which we have to prove. So let us differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. So differentiating 1 with respect to x. As you know, when we will differentiate with respect to x, definitely we will take t as a constant factor. So after differentiation with respect to x, what we will get? We will get that this is, you can see this will be minus t over 1 minus t times e raised to the power minus xt by 1 minus t. You can see. And this is equal to, here 1 minus t will be treated as constant, so only ln of x will be differentiated, and so it is summation n 0 to infinity, and dc of ln of x of first order will be written l prime n of x over n factorial times t raised to the power n. Now in LHS you can see there is the factor e raised to the power minus xt over 1 minus t, and as you can see equation 1, this factor is defined in this way. So we will make the use of this equation 1 here. Actually we will replace this exponential factor by 1 minus t summation n 0 to infinity ln of x over n factorial times t to the power n from this equation 1. So making the use of equation 1 in LHS of this equation, you can see what you will get. So making use of equation 1, making use of equation 1, we get what you will get. You can see this equation. This is minus t over 1 minus t times this exponential factor, and exponential factor will be replaced by using equation 1. So this is minus t over 1 minus t times 1 minus t summation n 0 to infinity ln of x over n factorial t raised to the power n, and this is equal to, see the RHS of this equation, this is 1 minus t times this much, so repeat it, this is 1 minus t times summation n 0 to infinity ln prime of x over n factorial times t raised to the power n. Now you can see this factor 1 minus t and 1 minus t will cancel out, and so if you take this term minus t times this much into the RHS in RHS side, what will be your result? You can see when we will multiply by this t here, this will be t raised to the power n plus 1. So this is summation n 0 to infinity ln of x over n factorial times t raised to the power n plus 1, t raised to the power n plus 1, and plus, now multiply 1 to this factor, after multiplying by 1 it will remain same, so this will be summation n 0 to infinity ln prime of x over n factorial times t raised to the power n. Now we will multiply by minus t. So after multiplying by minus t, our result will be minus summation n 0 to infinity ln prime of x over n factorial t raised to the power n plus 1, and this equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Now we will simply equate the coefficient of t raised to the power n 0. So equating to 0 the coefficient of t raised to the power n, we get what we will get. You can see, in fact you can see in first term there is t raised to the power n plus 1, but you have to find the coefficient of t raised to the power n. So you must take in first term n equal to n minus 1, then you will get actually t to the power n. So in first term we will replace n by n minus 1. So the coefficient of t to the power n will be L n minus 1 of x over n minus 1 factorial, and plus in second term already t raised to the power n is present, so its coefficient is ln prime of x over n factorial. And in third term again you can see there is t raised to the power n plus 1. So to get t raised to the power n, we will replace n by n minus 1. So this in this term the coefficient of t raised to the power n will be what? This will be minus ln prime n minus 1 of x over n minus 1 factorial, and this will be equal to 0. This will be equal to 0. Now you can simplify it by taking this factorial term in this way. This is L n minus 1 of x over n minus 1 factorial plus ln prime of x over n factorial. And n factorial can be written as n times n minus 1 factorial and minus L prime n minus 1 of x over n minus 1 factorial, and this equal to 0. And you can see that we can take 1 over n minus 1 factorial as a common factor. So here there will be ln minus 1 of x plus L prime n of x over n minus L prime n minus 1 of x and this is equal to 0. As you know, this is not 0, so the expression inside the square bracket will be 0, and what will be that? You can see easily the LCM is n, and this is n L n minus 1 of x plus ln prime of x minus n L prime n minus 1 of x, and this is equal to 0. So you can see our result will be what? Our result will be ln prime of x minus n ln minus 1 prime of x plus n L n minus 1 of x, and this equal to 0. And this is the formula which we have to obtain. You can see I have already mentioned this formula earlier. So this is the recurrence formula number 2 for the Laguerre polynomial, and you have seen we have derived it in a similar manner as we have derived the first recurrence relation. Now in the forthcoming lecture we will see the other recurrence formula for ln of x.